Hello, my name is Jeff and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. This is a 2013 BMW 535i xDrive. The xDrive is all-wheel drive and it's inline 6 twin turbo 300 horsepower. Alpine White with beige interior, leather interior. The body is exceptional, all original, no dings or scratches. Wheels are in great shape, so 18-inch wheels. This has a power trunk lid. There you go. There's a full set of WeatherTech mats too, made for this vehicle. Oh, actually, I'll show you. It has folding rear seats. You just release them right here. And the rear seats are heated as well. There you go. And both sides will fold down flat. So you can use it like a station wagon when needed. This has comfort access, locking and unlocking, as well as the ignition. To lock it, as long as the key's in your pocket, push the button, it locks. To unlock it, just grab the handle. Just get inside and push the ignition. It starts right up. Never have to touch the key. It says navigation. Naturally, it has Bluetooth, premium sound system. And I think you can link your music from your smartphone as well. Left and right independent climate control. Beautiful wood grain on the inside. Has electric power tilt and telescoping. Has a steering wheel heater, which is a great feature. Power side mirrors, rain sensing wipers. Naturally, the front seats are heated as well. It's a sport steering wheel. Has stability control, garage door openers. Has power shade on the sunroof. And then naturally the glass will open up. There you go. You can tilt it back. There we go. Here's another look at the wood grain. It's gorgeous. The leather's very close to perfect. Here we are back on the outside. This has Xenon headlights with high pressure washers, and those are the halo headlights, halo lights that are on right now. It's a fantastic car to drive, very sporty and very comfortable. Still drives exceptional. Runs great. Thanks for your time. Give us a call and we will tell you more about this beautiful BMW.